everyone, welcome to this video. So today we'll talk about the equal low model. We have recently shared some trades using this model, but people didn't get the idea. So we'll try to simplify the model in a good way. When we say an equal low model, it means simply that we are talking about two consecutive equal lows in this way. Of course, there are the general case when we have three equal lows in this way, but this is a little bit advanced and we don't need it for today's class. So when we say equal low model and then we wait for the price to go up, so at some time we are expecting the price to go back to this low right here. This level is like a magnet on the chart, okay? So why this model is accurate and why we use it a lot on the charts, because it's taken from something we call the, in French, suite logistique, or in English, the logistic map. Right here, this is a plot for the function. And if you pay attention right here, you will see that you have this equal lows in this way, and it was repeated another time and then a third time. So there is a magnet right here. The price needs to go back to this level every time. So this one is based on the logistic map, or in French, diagramme de bifurcation. So if we go back to the chart, this is right here on Bitcoin. As you can see, we have equal lows right here. So when we take a copy of this one, let's put it in white. So what we can notice that we have this equal lows right here. So we know that the price will go back to this level later, okay? There is a magnet right here. The price will reach a specific level on the chart and then it will go back to this low. So right here as details, you need to focus on this pattern right here in this way. And it was repeated the same way right here with the same triangle at the end with a higher high. So at this moment, what we understand that the price will go back to this low right here. Okay, so this is one of the techniques how we can implement this equal low model. And specifically, it's not an equal low model. Specifically, it's called the map of the self-similarity, okay? And there is a reason why we call it the map of self-similarity, because it shows us how the price will perform later, how the price will move later from the perspective of the self-similarity. We can see it in different charts. This was on Bitcoin, so we can see it right here on US 500. So right here, if you pay attention, we have this equal low right here. So we know that the price later will go back to this low. There is always a magnet in this case, okay? And of course, it's similar to what we see right here on this plot, okay? We got small one, and then we'll get the bigger one that will come back to this low right here. So the same way right here, this is our equal low model. We take the copy, we take it outside of the chart. And if you focus right here, you will see that we have a higher high, the same way right here, a higher high. The price has retested this level, the price has retested this level, and then we go back to the low. We can see it also, for example, on a crude oil. This is a different asset. So we see it on futures, we see it on US 500, on crypto. The same way right here on US 500, it's very simple to use this model. We get equal low, so we know that the price is going back to this low. So on the future, we'll see oil at $55. So right here, if you pay attention, you will see that we have this triangle with equal highs. So it was the same way right here, this triangle with equal highs. So what will happen next? We'll wait for the same pattern to develop right here, okay? That's why we call it a map of self-similarity, okay? So if you want to learn more about this model, we are hosting now a group mentorship program. There's still 8 hours to join. Right here, we'll discuss this one of the models, the map of self-similarity, or the equal low model, the L in one direction, L in two direction, TCW model. It will be for 8 live Zoom sessions. We'll have 2 sessions per week. And so you can apply what we have seen on the last 2 sessions. You have 1 week to apply what you have seen. So this is enough. So you can get more insights from our mentors who will correct your exercises, who will correct your charts, will review your trades. And of course, you can pay using your crypto payment, or you can use also PayPal or bank card to pay. Thank you so much. See you next time. Have a great day.